Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Ruvati booth here in N504. Today, we are introducing our Ruvati line of faucets. So we have our new collection of faucets that we're introducing at KBIS here at 2025. So to start off with, we're going to be offering a few different colors in the brushed nickel, brushed gold, and in the standard black. This one right here is one of our unique features. This is going to be our watch mechanism or dial that we have. So this one, when you turn it, the interior mechanisms move along with it. So it kind of gives it that Swiss movement feature for an automatic watch. And then here we have these that have a unique set-in or inlay stone or stone inlay. We offer 3 different colors on these as well. All right, and then moving on over here, we have a mixture of our vessel sink faucets. So these are going to be a little bit taller. These are going to be a single handle. And then we have these standard ones that are a little bit shorter for your undermount sinks. And then we have these that are going to be for the kitchen. So this is going to be one of our most versatile faucets that we have. This is going to be the pull-down faucet. This is good for the workstation sinks where you could move back and forth for ease of cleaning. And then we have our pull-down handle here as well. We have very unique features on our faucets, which have these little ridges here, which gives it a nice aesthetic look here on the handle and on the bottom as well. Okay, and then over here you have your standard pull-down faucets. We offer them in 3 different tones also. We have the black, the brushed gold, and the brushed nickel. So these are going to be your standard where you can switch from a spray feature to a standard feature. This kind of pulls down and then rolls back up with the weight. And then here we have our little more of a sleek design that we have. So these are going to be the pull-down faucets. This one again has the feature for the spray and the standard. Then we have them in gold, black, and the brushed nickel. So this is what we're introducing here at KBIS 2025 for Ruvati this year. Thank you.